What's up, guys? Landon. What's up, guys? It's Kids Club Fun back at another video for you guys. Today, you guys were really requesting that I would do showing you guys how to screen record and access your Xbox. So it's pretty simple. You gotta press. Gotta press this and this. Now you should pop up at this Xbox Game Bar Companion. And then after that, what you gotta do is, first of all, we have to find a game to get into. So let's go ahead and just access Epic Games. Let's go back to here. Wait. Here. Okay, now we should be able to actually. Oh wait, we need to set up a game. So maybe we go to. We'll just go to Roblox, okay? We'll play. So we do have to be in a game to be able to screen record. Kind of makes sense because if you don't, then you're gonna, we'll just go into a random game and play. Okay, so we press the Windows button and G. Okay, now that we've accessed this, you guys should see all of these things. Main thing you want to do is if you have a microphone, you can either choose to mute it or this. First thing you want to do is first of all, I gotta make sure my microphone is connected. So if you have a microphone, an external microphone, make sure you use that and connect it, and make sure that's all connected before you screen record. Just plug it in. I have a little USB that I can just plug in, and it will get automatically connected. Okay, so now that we've got this connected, we can. Okay, now we should be able to see our audio options. Over here we got all of these things. Okay, let me just make sure. I just wanted to show you guys one last time before I go into the screen recording. So you guys can see, I'm showing you guys the other audio stuff and everything over here. Just remember, you need to not click on any of that and just click on the thing that I'm showing you, the little screen record button. Okay, let me just make sure my mic is fully. Okay, one second. Okay, so remember, you guys gotta press the Windows G button. Just it works. Okay. Remember, Windows G. And then we can go over and remember, go to an app. We'll go to, let's just go to a random app. We'll go to Moon Speedrun. Alright. Once we get this loaded in, I'll show you guys this. Look at this, is kind of cool. And then we can start screen recording. So this is basically how we can screen record, and basically, yeah, this is going to be really helpful for anyone who needs to know these tips and tricks. We can go ahead, turn on our microphone, and start screen recording. Alright, we should be on. Alright, we should be on. Okay, so as you guys can see, we are now in the game right now. So that's pretty exciting. So, we're literally screen recording this. So, I'm not doing any Roblox recording for proof. And so basically, this is gonna help you guys a lot learning, enhancing your setup better. I did have to move to another place because of the internet connection, and it wasn't able to record my full thing. So, I really hope that you guys are going to enjoy more content like this. It did take me a while to learn how to do this, but once you learn how to do it, then you're going to be set, trust me. And then also, I want to tell you guys some more things about it. If you are playing, any games, you are not able to screen record when you're not playing any games, because you're also not, if you're going to say you want to teach other people how to do it, you can either refer to my link or you can just make another video about it, but it will not, when you're screen recording, do not show them the Xbox Companion app, because it won't actually show them it. So like if you want to do anything like that, because I just realized, I'm like, oh my gosh, that was kind of a bad idea. So yeah. So now I realize what to do, and so that was definitely gonna help you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos. Hope you guys really enjoyed my Predator video that I made yesterday. It was definitely a lot of fun making it, and I enjoyed doing this type of stuff for you guys. And bye. And I really hope that you guys are going to have a great day. Bye.